Hello everyone, Pioneer, I greet you all from all over the world. So what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World. And also, click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh wow, Pioneer! Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork gains momentum amid growing speculation of a Binance listing. The PiNetwork community has once again demonstrated its strength, as a recent official poll on Binance Square highlights overwhelming support for the project. With increasing enthusiasm from its dedicated users, speculation is mounting that PiUSDT or PiUSDC trading pairs could soon be introduced on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. If this materializes, it would mark a major milestone for PiNetwork and potentially propel it to new heights in the global crypto market. Binance Square poll signals rising support for PiNetwork. The official poll conducted on Binance Square has sent ripples across the cryptocurrency community, showcasing the unwavering commitment of PiNetwork supporters. As one of the fastest-growing blockchain-based ecosystems, PiNetwork has amassed millions of users worldwide, many of whom actively advocate for its listing on major exchanges. The results of the poll indicate a growing consensus that PiNetwork is poised for broader market acceptance. While the project remains in its enclosed mainnet phase, its increasing prominence has sparked speculation that Binance could soon integrate Pi into its trading platform. What would a Binance listing mean for PiNetwork? A potential listing on Binance could have far-reaching implications for PiNetwork and its expanding ecosystem. Some of the key advantages include increased liquidity. Listing on Binance would allow a larger number of traders to buy and sell Pi, improving liquidity and market depth. Global recognition. A listing on one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges would serve as a strong endorsement of PiNetwork's credibility and potential. Mass adoption. A presence on Binance could attract new investors, merchants, and developers, further solidifying Pi's role in the cryptocurrency landscape. Ecosystem expansion. Greater visibility and accessibility would encourage businesses to integrate Pi into their payment systems and decentralized applications, or dApps. The road to open Mainnet, a defining moment for PiNetwork. As PiNetwork progresses towards its anticipated open Mainnet launch, the excitement surrounding its market entry continues to build. Currently, the project operates within a closed ecosystem, allowing only verified users to engage with its native currency. The transition to an open blockchain, however, would unlock vast opportunities for the network, making it accessible to the broader cryptocurrency market. Despite the optimism, it remains unclear whether Binance will officially list PiNetwork in the near future. The exchange typically evaluates various factors before integrating new digital assets, including regulatory compliance, liquidity potential, and real-world utility. A pioneering vision. Is PiNetwork ready for the global stage? With more than 60 million engaged users, PiNetwork has already positioned itself as a disruptive force in the blockchain space. Its unique mobile-first approach to cryptocurrency mining has attracted a diverse and passionate community, eager to see its long-term vision realized. As speculation continues to swirl, key questions emerge. Will Binance officially recognize PiNetwork as a viable trading asset? How will an exchange listing impact Pi's valuation and adoption on a global scale? What steps should the PiNetwork community take to maintain momentum and push towards mainstream acceptance? While no formal confirmation has been provided by Binance, one thing is certain: PiNetwork is on the cusp of a new era in digital finance, and the world is watching closely.